Hi there, in this video we're talking about the last email in our sequence, the third email. And in this email we're actually going to tell people that it is their last chance to subscribe, to buy our products, to enroll in our course. Now this works, this specific template, it uses bonuses and it uses scarcity to sell more. And it works because people have FOMO. And obviously, we want to tell people that if they don't enroll, if they don't buy a product in the next amount of time, this offer is going away. It's one of the ways that I use to sell my products and my courses to people, and I found it to be very helpful. So I'm going to walk you through the third email right now and explain every part of it so that you can use it too and adjust it to your needs. Okay, so within GetResponse, remember to give your email a name. So I've written email number 3, reminder plus bonus. And the subject line that I'm using here is last chance, create landing pages that sell plus special bonus. So the idea here is to trigger FOMO. It's to tell people that it's their last chance to buy my product or to enroll in my course, and to tell them that I have a special bonus inside. Now, whether you have 3 or 5 or 10 emails in your sequence, bonuses and FOMO are a great way to, great persuasive techniques to actually leverage and use in order to increase your conversion rates. And I've seen it countless times in emails that I've written and in many other landing pages and sales pages where if you use scarcity, if you use countdown timers, bonuses, and leverage FOMO, you are able to increase conversions. I've tested it countless times and I really do suggest that you test it too. So this is the subject line that I've chosen for this email, and the same name, Talia at GetUplift. In this email, we're using the copy formula PAS, pain, agitation, and solution. Pain is the section where you remind people what they're facing and what you want to solve for them. Agitation is where you make the point of how it affects them. You drive the point home, you explain how it affects their day-to-day lives and what you're trying to solve for them. And solution, obviously, is where you offer your solution, which in this case is going to be a product or a course that you're selling. So I'm going to read through this email and then I'll explain each section and how it works. What if every time you looked at a landing page, you knew exactly how to optimize it? What if you could confidently approach any new campaign and know what landing page to design for it? What if you could march into any client's office or company meeting and proudly present your results, your new findings, and a complete, clear roadmap for your next steps? How would that affect your business, your earning potential, your life? You see, when you know how to help businesses turn website traffic into money, aka how to increase their landing page conversions, your own options grow. Suddenly, that bonus you've always wanted doesn't need to be asked for. That job you've always wanted is an email away. Or that 3-week vacay you've been promising yourself for years, the one you'll take as soon as the business picks up, you can book 2 of those. This is the first section of the email, and in it, I am essentially driving 2 points home. The idea is the pain of not being confident in your landing page optimization skills, not knowing exactly how to optimize your landing page, or not feeling confident when you're presenting your results or the new findings that you have. That is where we talk about the pain. And then we drive it home by talking about the fact that this pain affects your business, it affects your earnings, it affects your future. All the dreams that you have to go on a holiday or to get a specific position or a job or get yourself a bonus, all these things are dependent on not knowing, on not having this knowledge. So the whole part, this whole section is meant to help you understand the importance of knowing how to optimize a landing page, of understanding the importance of this topic and how it can change your life. So it's pain and agitation. Then we have the solution. So this is where I dive into how I'm going to solve this for them. Your chance to get all of the above and 25 plus highly actionable lessons delivered straight to your inbox, a private community of people just like you supporting your needs and answering your every questions, 60 days of email support from myself and my team to help keep you accountable and fast track your results, and a no-risk 30-day money-back guarantee to remove any concerns you may have and let you take this program for a test drive. Enrollment for how to create a landing page that sells closes at midnight tonight. This first name. So think about it. How would leaving underperforming pages behind you affect you? So this entire section is a reminder of what you're going to get. So you're getting 25 highly actionable videos and a private community and support and no risk money back guarantee. This is everything that I'm offering within my course. So when I'm writing an email to my potential students, this is what I'm writing to them. I'm enhancing, I'm talking about the pain and showing them how it affects their day-to-day life and showing them what they could do, and I'm showing them how they can do it, how this course is going to support them in getting to those results. So this is the section where we introduce and remind people of what they're getting. Next, we'll talk about social proof. For Gwen, it meant 73.4% increase in conversions for her landing pages and the confidence she needed to create many more high converting landing pages for her business and clients. For Dave, it meant a 25% increase on his landing pages just 1 week into the program and a $10,000 bonus from his manager. So I use social proof to drive the point home that this course helps improve people's conversions, their ROI, their lives, getting bonuses, getting that job that they wanted, everything that I touched on at the beginning of this email. And these are real testimonials from clients, not real photos, because obviously this is a template for you guys, but this is what I use to sell my course. And it is important to use social proof, to leverage that, because when people see other people like them or similar to them succeeding, they want to do the same. Ready to start seeing these kinds of results? Of course you are. Join your fellow conversion marketers in training here. So this is a link to the sales page. Now, P.S. I want this to be the most effective and rewarding program you've ever taken, first name. That's why when you enroll today, you'll get access to my personal favorite, top 3 most high converting landing page templates. Yes, the very ones I use with all my clients, so you can take everything you've just learned and fast track your path to success. Simply jump into those templates, fill them in according to what you just learned, and launch with confidence. Sound good? Jump in here to claim the proven and repeatable process you'll get immediate access to now. So the PS section, which is a section that I use quite a lot, is where I make the claim for the bonus. So with everything I just said, with the pain, with agitating it, with the promises, everything you're going to learn, everything you're going to make, here's the social proof. If all that hasn't convinced you yet, here's an added bonus that can sweeten the deal for you, which is I am giving you 3 templates that you can use to create high converting landing pages. And this is how you round out the entire email itself. Now, in this sequence that I've created, it's only 3 emails. And I have used sequences, I have done launches for products and courses where I've only done 3 emails, or I've done 10 or sometimes even 20 emails. But every email, or almost every email, includes this kind of bonus where I'm offering additional value for my students. So I highly recommend using this template and adjusting it and editing it to your needs according to the product that you're selling, and try and think of the different bonuses that you can give people that will really add additional value and make it a no-brainer. Because when you think about it, a landing page template is something that costs a lot of money. If you were to use a product today that creates landing pages for you, for example, GetResponse or others, you might need to pay extra for it. So by using this, by subscribing and enrolling into this course, you're actually getting 3 templates for free. So this is the way that I seal the deal, and I actually show people why this is so valuable to them and why I'm offering this high meaningful bonus. So I highly suggest thinking of these bonuses and what other value you can deliver for people. Now, in our next video, I'm going to be talking about the sales page, and we're going to really dig into every section of that page and how you can edit it and use it for yourself to sell your product. So I'll see you soon.